Students, in last session we have discussed mass density and weight density. We were discussing the fluid properties. Okay, so third properties is a specific volume. Okay, a specific volume. It is denoted by Vs. Okay, so in last class we have discussed mass density and weight density. So a specific volume is volume per unit mass. That is, we can write like this: a specific volume is volume per unit mass. So ratio of a specific volume is nothing but the ratio of volume of the fluid to the mass of that fluid. Okay, that ratio is known as ratio of volume of fluid to the mass of fluid is known as a specific volume. Okay, it is denoted by Vs. Okay, V is volume and the specific is this one. Okay, so Vs is equal to volume per unit mass. So volume meter cube per kg. Now see, we have studied also what we have studied. Rho is equal to nothing but mass per unit volume. See here, so it is the reciprocal of, see here, mass density is mass per unit volume, that is kg per meter cube. So if we talk about this one, a specific volume, see, meter cube per kg and it is kg per meter cube, so it is 1 by rho. So a specific volume is reciprocal of mass density. Okay, so by this way also we can find it out. So a specific volume is nothing but volume per unit mass. Ratio of volume of the fluid to the mass of that fluid is known as a specific volume. It is denoted by Vs. So a specific volume is V by M, that is unit wise volume is in meter cube and mass is in kg. So it is 1 by rho. Now how it is 1 by rho? We have already studied mass density. Okay, so mass density is mass per unit volume. See here, it is volume by mass, it is mass by volume. So this specific volume is 1 by rho. Reciprocal of mass density is also known as, a specific volume is reciprocal of mass density, that is also known as this one. So okay, so Vs is equal to 1 by rho. That is relation also we have proved here. Now fourth property is very, very important, that is viscosity. Okay, so now that is called absolute viscosity or dynamic viscosity. That is mu. It is mu. It is very, very important also from the point of view of examination. This depends upon Newton's law of viscosity. Okay, Newton's law of viscosity, which states Newton's law of viscosity, which states that viscous shear stress tau in fluid medium is directly proportional to proportional to, directly proportional to its velocity gradient. Velocity gradient. Okay. The constant of proportionality constant, the proportionality constant, the proportionality constant is known as absolute viscosity, or coefficient of viscosity, or dynamic viscosity, okay, that is denoted by mu. That is the statement. See, as I told you, it is very, very important topic in fluid mechanics, and that is a very important properties of fluid, that is absolute viscosity or dynamic viscosity or coefficient of dynamic viscosity. It depends upon Newton's law of viscosity, which states that viscous shear stress tau in fluid medium is directly proportional to its velocity gradient. Velocity gradient is known as du by dy. Okay. The proportionality constant is known as absolute viscosity or coefficient of viscosity or dynamic viscosity. See, now Newton's law of viscosity states viscous shear stress tau is directly proportional to its velocity gradient is du by dy. So, if you remove this proportionality constant, it will be mu du by dy. So, this mu is tau by du by dy. Okay. So, this mu is called absolute viscosity or dynamic viscosity or coefficient of dynamic viscosity. It is nothing but the ratio of viscous shear stress to the velocity gradient. It is shear stress by, this is velocity gradient, or it is also called shear strain, or it is also called rate of deformation, okay. So mu is tau by du by dy. So let us sum up what we have studied in this session. A specific volume is volume per unit mass, and this is reciprocal of mass density 1 by rho. That relation is there. Another relation is absolute viscosity or dynamic viscosity, that is denoted by mu. That is very, very important topic. So it depends upon the Newton's law of viscosity, which states that viscous shear stress in fluid medium is directly proportional to its velocity gradient, that is du by dy. The proportionality constant is known as viscosity. See here, viscosity. Okay. So it is called absolute viscosity or dynamic viscosity. Tau is equal to du by dy. T is equal to mu du by dy. That is proportionality constant is mu. This is called viscosity. Okay. And this mu is T by du by dy. We will discuss the unit and more thing about the absolute viscosity in next lecture.